Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify shuffle not working. So to do this, in first step, open any playlist, and in here you can see a to add option. If you simply tap on this option, as you can see this option is turned into green. So this is means you have turned on the shuffle option, and by doing this, whenever you select the playlist, here the song will be go on the randomly. And if you simply tap on this option again, this you can remove the shuffle option from here. And after doing this, if your shuffle is not working, what you can do, go to the Play Store and update your Spotify. And the last thing you can do, you can uninstall your Spotify and reinstall it, because sometimes there's a bug and for which the Spotify shuffle doesn't work. So if you simply restore your Spotify again, the bug will be removed and this option will be welcome. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion and keep in touch with us.